friends, I'm Crystal and today is my mom's birthday. I'm making her a chocolate cake, which she already knows because I asked her what kind of cake she wanted last week. What she doesn't know is that I made a skincare routine for her and I purchased the products a couple weeks ago. When she asked me why I'm buying so many skincare products, my exact words were, I've been wanting to buy them for a couple weeks now, so they start building up. Which is true because I have been planning this for a couple of months and I did buy a few products for myself. Anyways, I don't think she suspects anything because I'm always buying skincare stuff, just usually not this many. I also bought a Vegamore hair growth serum, which I've been seeing ads for all over my Instagram feed. So I decided to buy one for my mom, and I also got one for myself because, guys, I'm balding. The reason why I'm getting all these beauty products for my mom is because she has 4 kids, and 4 kids equals stress, which causes wrinkles and hair fall. And she wants some products to help combat aging, but she doesn't have time to look for them because she gives all her time to us. So I found them for her. I'm really hoping that these work for her. I also made a card and a little instruction sheet because this is probably the most elaborate skincare routine she's ever had. Here I am making the card. I also made a bookmark using flowers from Hawaii that I pressed. This bookmark is magnetic, so it doesn't fall out of the book as easily. The cake that I'm making is from this book of recipes by Cooking Light. They really know how to advertise because my mom wants a cake that is right on the cover. Here's mom helping even though it's her birthday. Mom is making the glaze.
What is this? What is this? Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Yay, first cut the plate. Oh, I never noticed that the lady was here. Wow.
Underwear?
All this stuff you bought for me, yeah? Yeah. What is it? The facial stuff. Collagen booster.
Mom, your face is perfect. So why'd you do that?
Here's a recipe for the cake if you guys want it. However, this recipe was more complicated than it should have been for that cake. It only tasted okay. And that is the end of my mom's birthday vlog. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!